conduct a lot of workshops, Sina Strong workshops, Botox workshop, fillers workshop, liposuction, body tight workshops for plastic surgeons. One question that I regularly get is, how do we ensure that practice grows? How can we grow fast? Is there any framework? Well, this video is for all those young plastic surgeons and maybe young dermatologists also who are related to the aesthetic surgery field or any kind of aesthetics. The framework that I'm going to say today is the ACE framework. It's not Anmol Chugh Excellence Framework. It's A stands for Artistry, which is the craft mastery, the craft you should know. C means the command, that means the leadership depth that you should have. E means the excellence in the business. Well, if these three done in the right manner, then you can have it all, which remains the dream of everyone. To have good money, to have the lifestyle that you want, to have a good team, plus a good family life also. Now, how do I divide this framework? Well, after doing multiple analysis and seeing other lifestyle also, plus looking for inspiration in other field persons also, I came to the conclusion that we can divide into three parts. Now, first part is the craft mastery, that is the artistry. It is very important if you're a plastic surgeon or a dermatologist to keep updated. You cannot be the dinosaur. You have to understand that every new technology that is coming up has to be known by you. And yes, you should know the pros and the cons before trying it on your patient. Are there some studies? Are you regularly attending conferences? Are you regularly attending some meetings which can update your knowledge? Now, patients in this world are much more smarter. They will bring the Instagram, they will bring their YouTube and tell you what exactly you want. Main thing is, are you updated enough? Not just surgically, but in the other aspects of the life also. So craft mastery not only involves reading your craft, but also watching videos, be it the surgical videos, understanding what steps can be done better, refining those steps, maybe calculating your personal best also in terms of how much time did you take for the surgery or any procedure to do. Plus, analyzing the results regularly. Is there any scope of improvement? Regularly asking this question is very important because the learning can never stop even if you are successful. The second point that we have in the framework is the C or the command. Now, command means the leadership depth. Whenever we want to excel in any part of life, we have to have leadership qualities. Now, what exactly are leadership qualities? It is not about being arrogant. In fact, it's the opposite of that. You have to be humble, you have to be kind, you have to treat your team members like your family and give them due respect. Because ultimately, this team is going to work day and night not because of the fact you're just paying them, but because of the fact they see an inspiring leader in you. So your conduct has to be immaculate. Your protocols have to be immaculate. Plus, what you do in private shows up in public. If you're not reading up and telling your team to follow a certain protocol, then they are not going to follow that. If you are eating junk and not taking care of yourself, they are not going to respect you. First of all, take care of yourself, then you can imply on the others. Similarly, if you're not taking care of your family, not giving them due time, it is going to bounce back because yes, business is an important part, but the neglect will bounce back in some form or the other. Maybe it's a difficult child that you have. Maybe a spouse which is irritated by the fact that you are not available. Maybe the parents who are not being taken care of properly. Well, it has to be taken care of. And the accountability has to be set as you have to constantly review yourself that what exactly I'm doing right, what exactly I'm doing wrong. Reflections are part of it. The third important thing is the excellence. As we know, money is the amount of value we create for others. The amount of money that you are getting is directly proportional to the fact that you are bringing a lot of value in somebody's life. be it transforming their lives with surgery or the non-surgical, be it with the fact that you're making the other person feel good, look good, plus making sure that you are excelling in your business. Now, how do we do that? For that, you need to take care of every aspect of the business. The difficult part is, as doctors, we don't like to take care of the finance. This problem is universal and no doctor can say that I am taking care of my finances in the same manner as I take care of my patients. Well, you have to write it down. What's the business you are generating? How much is the revenue? What sort of gross profit is there? What sort of quarterly results are you expecting? This has to be evaluated. And when you grow, it becomes weekly, then on daily basis also as the cash flow increases. Well, as young plastic surgeons and young dermatologists, this ACE framework is what I propose that can help. Well, if you have any further questions, I'll be happy to help. You can call us or DM us and I'll be happy to arrange a session for you. Thank you so much.